You might as well just take them tights off.
Damn!
Yeah, fart.
Nasty bitch.
I told you, girl, I'm just a thug nigga. Baby, I can't make no promises, no promises. Baby, I can't make no promises.
What's up, everybody, man? Welcome to my channel. I'm back with another. Look at that lighting. I'm back with another video. You know what I'm saying? Back with another video, monkey video at that. Make sure you if you new, subscribe to the channel. If you're not, you know what I'm saying, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to your boy. Give me the 50K, bro. What else finna say, y'all? Make sure y'all go follow Queen_Tony, alright? I'm gonna let y'all know right now, she do some fire ass customizations on her shoes, bro. She do fire customization. Make sure you go check her channel out too. She got a YouTube channel. Go follow her on Instagram. She customize shoes, as you can see right here, you know what I'm saying, as I'm scrolling. This shit legit, bro. Like, yeah, like, if you want some heat, bro, if you want your shoes to look like, yeah, like, go get her, bro. Y'all go run her views up. She do YouTube and shit. Like, she really be customizing shoes for y'all. Get at her, because Christmas is coming up, you know what I'm saying? You gonna want to drip, so go check her out, you know what I'm saying? But back to what I was saying in the beginning. We got a monkey video, another monkey video. What I'm gonna be doing is trolling on monkey, bro. I'm finna be trolling. I'm finna be, you know, I'm gonna just you know, mess around with people, you know what I'm saying? Talk a little bit. We're gonna see where it goes, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will have public interviews coming soon, bro. I just been busy with school. But, hope y'all enjoyed this video. We're gonna get straight to the video, so let's get it. Need the bananas. Oh, big bean head ass. Oh, shit. Bro, your head big as hell, boy. Big bean head ass. What you rubbing? Yeah, I know you ain't got no waves. What the hell you rubbing? Hey,
What the fuck was that? I'm sorry,
nah, I'm gonna get on his ass with my 9-8. What up?
What's up?
What up? What you doing? Why your cap so small?
What?
Why is his cap so small?
What cap?
I'm adding time. They dumbass not even adding time. What you was doing? Let me see what you was doing.
There was a gay dude.
There was a what?
A gay dude, he asked me, he was like, if I twerk, would you fuck with me? And I was like, okay.
So you finna twerk?
Yeah.
Bro, can you even twerk?
Yeah. But then,
Let me see.
you're not something.
Oh shit! Wait! You got some ass. Wait! Why you stop? Why you stop?
Don't be talking shit.
I ain't talking shit. Why you stop though?
You said, what's up?
I said, why you stop?
Oh, because
Let me see what you working with. I said, let me see you again.
Add me on Instagram.
I will. I'm gonna add you on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
It's my monkey tag. You added me, right? Just look up Jazz Got Ass.
But let me see one more time. Your ass fat as your ass fat, bro. Ain't no way. You gotta back up a little bit so I can see you like. Damn. Bro, what you look like you ain't got no drawers on at all.
I know.
You might as well just take them tights off. You might as well take them things off. Oh my god! Did you see that ass? Boy, she better chill out, bro, on that ass. Cause I I feel like I'm too thirsty right now looking on that ass, boy. I'm acting thirsty as hell talking about let me see it again. Ooh, that thing was fat, boy. I ain't gonna cap. That thing was fat. Alright, I'm gonna do like 2 more people, bro, and then I'm done. What? Y'all said that shit funny. What y'all doing? Heck no, what happened? You hucked the horn for no reason? You must. I'm dead. What time is it? Where you stay at?
We're in California.
So y'all like what? It's not that. It shouldn't be that late because y'all probably like 2 hours behind me. It's not. It's 9 o'clock where I'm at.
It's fucking raining. It's pouring out here. Look.
Oh shit.
It's pouring.
Oh shit. I'm dead.
I love the fucking rain. Oh,
Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all do me a favor. You got your phone? What up?
What's up?
Feeling that hair, huh? That must be.
Huh?
You must have just finished doing your hair.
Oh yeah, I was gonna burn my hair.
Cause your ass was. You was stroking that shit. What you doing?
Nothing.
Where you from?
Arkansas.
Arkansas. That's like you look cute.
Thank you.
Mind if I eat your ass?
You said what?
I said you let me eat your ass.
You eat ass?
I eat yours. You let me eat your ass?
It don't feel right to me.
Wow. What you mean it won't feel right? It's just gonna be like a tongue one in your booty.
So you want some Kevin Gates type?
I want some Kevin Gates, but I'm a little more nasty. Like I'll do it like you ain't even gotta take a shower. Just you gotta look. Like if you farted, I want to taste it. You know what I'm saying? But her ass, like what, bruh? What up?
What's up?
Hey, y'all wanna win some money?
Sure, what's up?
I'll give you $2 if you fart right now.
Dude, hey, now this one's on you.
I'll give you $2 right now if you fart.
Fart, Hannah, fart. Don't fart.
Nasty bitch.
What the fuck? I'm dead. I'm dead. Hey, nah. Somebody gonna have to make, bruh. What up?
Hey, what up, bro? The gang, sound the gang.
Hey, look, y'all trying to make some money?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
All right, I'll cash up you $5 right now if you can fart.
To what?
To fart, I'll cash up you $5. Yes, I'll cash up you $5.
You do it.
I just asked you. I'll cash up you.
I'll pay you 100.
How you? That's stupid, bro. I want to see somebody go really do it. What up? Hey, add time real quick. You trying to make some money? You trying to make some money? You trying to make some money?
Yeah.
All right, I'll give you $5 right now if you can fart.
Bro, this nigga just made me add time to 5 minutes say if I can fart. Like, okay, like, nigga, I don't know if he's on some scammy shit.
Hell no. Oh shit.
How do you ink up that?
Bro, why you gotta Why you got that striped shirt on? Where's Waldo looking at? Them tight ass braids.
Big ass beaver ass.
Bro, yo, them tight ass braids. Who you think you is, Lloyd? Get your ass on. Small nigga look like a squirrel. Get your ugly ass on. Big, bruh. The girls are probably doing more than the dudes, bro. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you smash that like button. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Snap. I'll have some more public interviews coming up soon. And yeah, I hope y'all ready for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving finna come up. You know what I'm saying? Thanksgiving really finna come up, bro. Like, what you... If you watching this video, what you finna eat for Thanksgiving? Like, what's the first thing you finna eat? I'm finna eat the macaroni, then the yams, bro. I be mixing my shit together. Like, I don't know if that's weird, but I mix my food together. Like, you gotta put the ham with the, yeah, bro. I be doing that shit, bro. I don't know if you do it, bro, but I be doing that shit, bro. Like, that shit be smacking, bro. Ooh, I'm ready to eat, bro. Bro, I'm finna eat good, bro. I'm finna put this shit on my story and shit. Y'all finna see, bro. You finna see everybody dressing up, posting the pictures of their food. I'm gonna be there. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. And we out.
That's my bitch. Ooh, you better.